Hello everyone, it's me again, Tyba. So now you get to put the name and the face together. You see my apron. I actually got this in the mail today. To this video, I want to show you guys an unboxing. One of the reasons why I went with this company, Couture, was because I like working with my hands and I used to paint a lot. And I got away from it once I got my Cricut and my Cameo. So I said I wanted to get back into painting and doing stencils and doing something a little different because you guys know I'm a t-shirt girl. I love creating different kinds of t-shirts. So with my unboxing, it just came on the porch maybe like 20 minutes ago. And I was able to open it up. So I want to show you guys what came in the box, okay? So I actually got the designer's package. And with the designer's package, it brought, let's see, we got 5 pastes. These are chalk paste, and I got 5 of them in my kit. So this color is, actually I'm kind of excited because I love all 5 of these colors. So I really lucked out. I didn't have an opportunity to pick which colors I wanted. So they sent me this one called Couture Teal. So this is Couture Teal. And this next one is one of my favorites, Peony. Okay, and then I have bright white, which is the white chalk, of course. Okay, and then this one is the guava, another pretty color. And this color is called parakeet. I was able to remember this because I just thought it was the oddest name for paint or chalk. So this is parakeet. So those were the 5 different color pastes that came with this kit. And I'm absolutely excited because I love all 5 colors. Good. Okay, so also the actual thing that you put the chalk on, Chalk Couture calls them surfaces. So with my kit, I got 2 surfaces. This is a hanging sign here. So it comes with the string and the hole is right here. So this is a hanging sign. So this is one of the 2 surfaces that actually came with the package. And then a second surface came, which I really like, was this surface here. So, and it's kind of white with some distress on it. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it has like a little distress marks on it, which is cool. So my kit came with the 5 chalk paste and 2 surfaces. And now what I was also excited about was it actually came with some transfers. And one thing that really turned me on about Chalk Couture's transfers was that it's not like it's a stencil. Like, you remember, for those of you that actually painted before, how you would have the stencil and it's just like a hole in a plastic type thing and you just paint inside a hole. These are not like that. These stencils are actually silk screen. So where you see the hole right there is an actual silk screen in it. So I thought that was cool and something kind of different. And with my kit, it came with, let's see, a total of 6 different transfers. One of the ones was this one. And this one says, we may not have it all together, but together we have it all. I absolutely love this. This is my second favorite one out the bunch. And then you get this one with the Chalk Couture stuff on it. There we go. And then this is the one that I think I'm actually going to demonstrate tonight, which is going to be really cool. So I'm going to be demonstrating how to do this, even though I've never done it before. But I'm going to demonstrate how to do this tonight on YouTube Live. So if you guys have an opportunity, I'm going to be on at 9 p.m. Eastern time tonight, which is Friday. And, you know, of course, it's going to be recorded. So if you don't get to see it live, then you still get to see it. But this is the one I'm actually going to demo tonight. And it says, don't bother me, I'm procrastinating. That is so me. And I'm going to do this for myself to hang up in my craft room. So that's number 3. Number 4 is this one. And keep in mind too, when you purchase your kit, you may not get the same exact stencils as mine. So I'm just going to include some information in the description box if you're interested in getting the stencils. But each kit comes with different colors and different stencils. So I just want to let you guys know that. Okay, so this one was a feature, a holiday one. And when you're actually ordering it, if it's a holiday feature, then it's going to be put in a separate envelope. This was in a separate envelope. So it has celebrate and freedom, and then it has the windmills that we can put with that as well. Okay, and then the last one, which was the first one I actually showed you guys. So you get 6 of these stencils in your kit. are transfers. You get transfers. Okay. So then after that, there were 2 small ones that actually came with this as well. See if I can put my hand on them. And actually in the envelope. Okay. So this is the envelope that last transfer came in. The holiday one. And I also have 2 small transfers. One, I absolutely love this piece of cake. So I absolutely love that one. And then this one, I have a creative idea that I'm thinking about. I'm hoping that I can make it into fruitation. But it says, welcome, hello, and gather. Absolutely love those 2. So I got a total of 2 small transfers and a total of 6 big transfers with this kit. So put this back in the envelope. I'm excited. I've never done a project like this before. So tonight will be my first time actually doing it. You guys get to see me do it live. It's going to be unscripted. I don't know exactly what I'm doing. I watched a few videos, so I want to see how this goes. Okay, so in the kit, what else I got? I came with a folder. This was the folder that the stencils were in. And it has a startup guide in it. So that's the folder there. And store your transfers until you have another way to store them, because I'm going to be ordering a lot of stencils, well, transfers. It also came with this book, and in this book it's going to show you the different kinds of transfers, the different kinds of surfaces, different tools that you can use. So it's an informational book to show you exactly what you can get, and it's awesome, you guys. I'm so excited. So I also got a scraper. This came in. I'm trying to figure out which one it is. They call it a mini squeegee. So I think this is a small squeegee. So this is a small squeegee right here. And you just use it to actually apply the chalk paste. So that's what came in my kit, you guys. Give you a look at this book. These are the different tools that you can use. And that's the one that came in the kit. And I actually have a mini squeegee as well, because the young lady that introduced this to me, she actually sent me that. She's a lovely girl. Absolutely love her and her son. So I'm going to go ahead and order these 3 here so I can add them to my tool collection. So it gives you the different tools and it shows you the different surfaces that you can get. This is the one that came in the kit right here. Okay, let's see what other surfaces. And not sure which one, but I think it might have been this one that came in the kit right here. So I include those links in the descriptions if you guys are interested. But I just want to show you guys what came in the box. I'm really excited. I was so excited. I was actually doing a live on my Facebook page, and I went to the front porch to see if it came in, and I saw it on the porch. I was like, woo! I've been waiting a whole week for this to come. So here are some of the stencils here. I absolutely love those. I think those will look good on canvases. And it's even a whale one. So this book shows you the different tools, the different colors that you can actually get, the different stencils. Here's a color library here. A whole host of different colors on too. Okay, so the different colors that you can get, different stencils. I absolutely love. Now, one of my favorites, you guys are going to laugh. One of my favorite stencils that I still have to get is the chickens. I'm a country girl. I absolutely love the chickens. And the good thing, I'm going to try to zoom in as best as I can. But these transfers actually keep all of the detail. So all of the distress, like even on the front of the book, you see how the sheep is, the lamb. It keeps all of those colors. And it's a lot different from us actually cutting stencils on our machine and doing that kind of silk screening. This actually retains a lot of the detail because of how the transfers are created, how they're made. And no one has transfers on the market that's made like that. So that's really what kind of sets it apart from other transfers. I'm absolutely excited about it. Okay, so that's what came in our kit. We got this book that tell us about our colors and the tons. It's a ton of different transfers. I mean, it's a lot. And then I got 6 of the big transfers and 2 of the small ones one of the transfers that was actually a holiday transfer. And here is surface 1, surface 2, and then I got my 5 chalk pastes. Let's see if I can remember them. Guava, parakeet, and oh gosh, which one was this one? Couture teal. Good deal. Couture teal. And then peony. Yep. And bright white. Okay. So got 5 of those chalks. And also I got these cards in my package as well. So I got 3 types of them. Looks like it's 4 of each. And they came with these beautiful envelopes. I'm going to show you guys this real quick. So the first card says, make every day a work of art. I like that. So that's this card here. Make every day a work of art. Okay, and then I also got, this one said cute matters. That's what that little writing says on the card. Okay, and then the third one, let's see what the third one says. Do more of what makes you happy. I could not have said that any better. So you get 4 of those. So I'm showing you what's in my kit. You may get something similar or a little different for the most part. You do get 2 surfaces and you get 6 colors. I didn't get to choose my colors. Those were the colors that were sent to me. And then I got a squeegee. So that's that, you guys. Also, this apron actually came in the kit, which I thought was so cool. It feels good. It's heavy. You know, I absolutely love it. So that's the video, you guys. I just want to show you guys what actually came in my box. And let me shut it for a second because I want to show you how the box looks. So yeah, I was just doing some things around the house. I went to go check the porch, and it comes in a big box like this. It's a huge box. So I just want to show you guys what came in the mail, and I want to give you an idea of what I was doing, because tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern, I'm actually going to do introduce each thing. If you guys don't catch this live, well, catch this video, and introduce to you guys what I'm doing, and I'm actually going to demonstrate on one of the surfaces tonight for the very first time. So it's going to be a hold my cup moment. So I just want to let you guys know about that, and I catch you guys tonight.